So January 2025, winter is definitely here. The ice is thick on the pond. I try to keep an area clear for the for the birds. As you can see, they get a bit thirsty, and so we put out extra feed every day, and try to keep it from icing over too much. The temperature outside right now is about 23 degrees Fahrenheit, so the ice does get pretty thick. So I have a hose. I go out there and melt some of it for every couple days, and try to do right by the birdies. The waterfall is still running, but temperature is supposed to drop into the single digits, so I'm not sure if the waterfall keep going. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. We'll see. It's cold out there.